Okay, so as you see here, when you get here to the site, these pictures here need to be changed to something more unisex. This is like camping, and we don't want that. And here, as I'm scrolling up, as you see, the buttons, these badges, none of these are going anywhere. You have a double fitness here. One of those should be removed. And all of these other pages aren't linking anywhere. And that's what we were asking. You have it up here where you have the task, but you have limited uh, pages here. So those are the things that I'm saying needs to be fixed before we say that the site is done. In addition to that, like when I click here on bowling and it goes here, okay, great. We got this bowling badge here. Good. That wasn't there before. I'm glad you got that part fixed. Let me check the other ones. Yes. Okay, so that looks good. So we're just looking for those other things on the front page. Here, we need to get this more unisex pictures. Um, and these badges should link to their own pages.